Okay, here's a quick video just about polishing the inside of your headlights. These are headlights from a 2012 or 2013 Civic. They're the same as the 2013 to 2015 Civics. The only difference is these ones have these ugly amber corner things that go in here, whereas the ones for the 2013 to 2015, they're clear. Exact same thing, but once you take them out, they look good. They look modern, these things. But yeah, onto the main subject. So I thought that the inside of these headlights had no coating, and I was mistaken. Although I did read on some G35 forums or something that the inside of the headlights can be polished. Apparently, Honda does it a little differently. So this one here is unpolished. I got these used off Kijiji. I don't know how many miles the car had, but as you can see, there's like this ugly, this hazing underneath. This is on the inside of the plastic. Okay, I polished the outside, although I didn't do a fantastic job. I still did a pretty decent job, and it shouldn't be doing this kind of hazing inside. So this came with it, and I was able to see it when I bought them too. But I decided, you know what, it's a good price. I'll take them anyway. Frankly, I don't recommend that. If you're doing a retrofit for your headlights, I recommend just buying them new off eBay or something, or getting some good quality ones. Don't think you could just polish them and be okay with it, because frankly, I've spent probably I don't know, like about $100 in polishing things. I mean, you see this polishing cone that I got, it was like $43. Mind you, this is Canadian currency. Damn expensive. Same thing for the Novus and the Plastex. It adds up. Ultimately, just get headlights that are in good condition, because this is not fun. But so yeah, you see all that haziness there, and then even on the corner, you see this ugly haziness. Well, this headlight, I polished the inside, and you see it is much more clear. It is much nicer. Even the corner, look at that, great. There are still micro scratches. I don't know if the camera's not really picking it up too well. But either way, I'm going to open them up and show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, I opened them up now. You do have to open these with the oven. These were just already opened a couple days ago. But so you go on the left are the nicely polished ones on the inside. The only thing is that you can see almost this like weird, damn, that's hard to see, but there's this weird like kind of etching pattern. I don't know how to say it. Here, get it off the saran wrap. Be careful not to scratch the top. You see those like kind of swirls in that funny pattern. Well, I tried getting those out, and it turned out to be quite a tough job. But I think they come factory like that. But anyways, as you can see, there's no haziness whatsoever. Very clean. Looks great. Actually, you could take all these parts out. You just got to take out like 3 screws or something. You can take all these parts out. Look at that. Nice, clear, beautiful. Whereas this one, you could see some haziness there. It's quite ugly. Yeah, that's not fun. Yeah, you see that? Look at that, blocking all that light. But you see all those little micro scratches? So those actually come from factory like that, which is quite weird. I mean, I haven't really touched the inside of this one. This one I did. But the thing is, there's this weird gunk stuff. So here, I'll show you. So this one, I can't scratch anything with my nail. That's not leaving any marks in there. There's no way for me to show you on camera, but you can see there's no marks. Whereas this one still has this like film inside. And I could actually scratch this with my nail. Yeah. Looks pretty horrible too. When I first did this, I was kind of worried that I had ruined my headlights, but you see them in there just a bit. It actually looks much worse in person. You just kind of have to take my word for it. But ultimately, there's this super soft film inside. Look at that. It's as if I cut it with a knife. The thing is, that's just this weird soft plastic. I don't know why they put that inside. Maybe to make it look more clear, but that's ultimately what hazed over. And you know, you could rub it out with some alcohol, but it's extremely hard, and then you actually end up scuffing the actual plastic. But you could try some other things. I mean, I even tried some Goo-Gone. That kind of did the trick, but didn't do a perfect job. And My next try is going to be Varsol with this headlight, because frankly this headlight was really a pain to work with, and I want this one to be a bit easier. But anyways, that's it. Whoever's retrofitting some Civic headlights, just be careful. The inside of lenses are quite delicate with this weird kind of soft plastic. So I recommend just getting some nice factory fresh headlights so you don't have to go through this pain, because frankly I've spent a lot of time trying to polish the inside and spent quite a bit of money on these stupidities here. So anyways, good luck with your retrofits. Have a nice day.